for Learning Outcome 1, drawing became a significant development. I didn't particularly enjoy drawing at the start of this course because I didn't think I could do it, and I spent a lot of time in part 1 really thinking about mark making and really observing the qualities of my 3 archive items that I'd chosen. And I really enjoyed this process. I learnt a lot from it about mark making, about looking at the qualities of the materials, looking at the structures of the objects, and not worrying about what they had to look like, but really focusing on the details and the lines and the marks that I could see. After the first part of the course, I felt so freed from my worries about having to draw, and really embraced it. And I really wanted to experiment. I really wanted to try and just develop my drawing and be bold with it. And that's exactly what I felt I'd achieved, that I was bold with my drawing. I wasn't afraid of it. And then I could be free to make marks and develop my drawing, and that's happened as I've been through part 5. And one of the things that I did was I worked on large scales. This is a very big piece, and this was actually drawing blind and going out onto my garden path and just with my ink and just drawing, focusing on the qualities of my materials and drawing what I could remember the materials, having them, drawing the energy of the materials. And it was really interesting. Had some really effective pieces from doing it this way and using scale to really push my boundaries and push my thinking. And I also really developed my thinking about making sketchbooks and having workbooks. And actually this was really rough. My really almost rough drawings put together as a collection of drawings and mark making. It isn't neat by any means, but it actually really made me think about how I wanted to show off my work and put it together. And it taught me a lot about building sketchbooks, that they were just ongoing records of things that I'd made and produced and thought about and developed and reflected on. And it made my drawings really responsive to what I saw and what I got from my archive pieces.